Welcome back to another adventure. This time we're in St. Kitts. We booked the Panoramic full island tour with lunch and beach through the shoreexcursionsgroup.com. They contracted through Isaac's Exotic Tours. The instructions said to walk through this building and look to the left right here where your guide would be waiting. All the taxis and guides would be waiting behind these fences, and after we found our guide, this was our bus that we went on. We started off with a guided tour through the city and eventually ended up in the country. One of the couples didn't follow the directions, so a half hour into the tour we had to go back and get them and start over, which was kind of a bummer. We made a short stop at this rock drawing and then eventually moved on to the Brimstone Hill Fortress. There is a fee to enter this location, but that is covered as part of the tour cost. One thing to note at this location was it had a steep, uneven walk up to the top, but once at the top, the views were very spectacular. This was all a self-guided tour. The next place we stopped was at the Sugar Works. This was also a self-guided tour. One thing to know about St. Kitts is people will be carrying monkeys around. If you interact or take pictures, they are going to want money. Our next stop was at the Romney Manor, which is also included in the cost of the tour. This location was also self-guided. We then drove around and made various stops at different locations to check out the island. Our final stop was at the Vibes Beach Bar and Grill, where we had our lunch. The food was okay, the service was quite horrible. When you were done eating, you could go into the water. However, because we had to go back and get the people that didn't follow the directions at the beginning, we did not have time. Thank you for watching another Mo and Lo on the Go adventure.